Ideal Group. In 1996, the company began sewing and designing garments in its first small, bespoke studio. The company is located in the city of Namangan, the eastern part of Uzbekistan. Namangan has been an important craft and trade center in the Fergana Valley since centuries. In 2001, the Ideal brand was patented, and in 2006, Zamin Turkestan LLC was founded. Of course, Ideal Garments is one of the largest in the textile industry. Ideal Textile Arzu is an introductory part of the group factories, which is situated in the city of Namangan, district Davlatabad, street Ijodkor 100. The very initials of factory process begin at crop sector. First of all, the development is done through the crop process. At the factory, the products are cropped using an automatic Balmer cropping machine imported from Germany. The crocheted products are removed from the sewing process and sewing lines according to the type of each product. Each line specializes in sewing one product, including pants line, jacket line, coat, etc. Following, the products are transferred to the ironing line after leaving the sewing and cleaning process and are ironed by means of an ironing press and ordinary irons. Moreover, subsequent process quality control finished products are subject to strict inspection in the quality control department. Products that have passed quality control are packed in the packaging department. Company portfolio. Ideal Garments is a clothing brand that combines classics of artisan techniques with a modern approach to creating new styles. Daily output 1,200 pieces of classic suits and military uniforms, 200 pieces of half canvas and 100 pieces of mid-AM suits, 1,000 pieces of shirts and 1,000 pieces of trousers, 500 pieces of chino pants and 350 pieces of classic men's shoes. Modern and powerful production base, advanced technology and equipment, exact cut and verified proportions, high-quality finished products. Ideal Garments is a company that acts as a brand in three different directions. It is a manufacturing brand that is renowned for its elegance, superior quality, superior customer service. To create each new collection, more than 1,000 combinations of various quality fabrics are used. All of them are designed and produced using exclusive technologies specifically for the brand. We work with highly qualified technologists and designers, and the equipment is the most modern and high-tech from the world's leading companies. Secondly, Ideal Garments is a brand for individual orders. We offer our clients the most exclusive and fashionable clothing tailored to their needs and desires. The dominant aspect of our brand in this area is short lead times, and high quality of that short time is the hallmark of Ideal. Next direction, creation of collections under the Ideal Garments brand. Seasonal collections follow the world's leading fashion trends. Collections that are distinguished by their refinement, elegance, and at the same time comfortable to wear. We have been distributing our brand by constantly attending and participating in fashion weeks and exhibitions such as Pure London Fair, CPM Moscow, CJF Children's Fashion, Intexpo India, all over the world for many years. In 2020, Ideal Garments organized its first Authors Fashion Show in Tashkent at the UZ Expo Center of Uzbekistan, presenting its autumn-winter collection. Ideal Garments brand participates in many fashion weeks and fashion shows around the world, namely in France, Great Britain, Turkey, Russia, Kazakhstan, the USA and Uzbekistan. In connection with the pandemic, fashion weeks began to be held online. Ideal Garments also took part in the FNL Virtual Fashion Week in September 2020, organized by Rocco Leo Gagliotti.